Abusia oyama obi good morning. Ediba akofuna media so. Ene na woni akofuna media ahia bomodena so be subscribe ama akofuna media afi uwie a se ne tam bia no ama mede no yeye no no. Wo be no fa unsa bo be no so. Odo unsa bo be no so a ebe tene. Eno enya ba ne sa yem video su bia ebe post no. Ententem a unsa ebe ka bi. Akofuna media ahaide Dani abrin bia no eye so active. Eninti unya ba hanoma current video ubenya bi ahwe na ososo do abe drop o comment e wo comment section no aso wo di ama akofra media abusiafo mo modern say mo be pushi na ohwe video no so na ode wo likes no so e ka ho enu achi no so no se okọ Facebook a akofra media e wo ho Instagram ye wo ho no mo na oba TikTok so a akofra media e wo ho no mo abusiafo mo modern say sa platforms ya mabobo so ni nyina no mo be follow yen na akofra media ye be koyanim se ne na me ka no akobin TV eno so no afiri ase a ye de atomu e so obekọ ho no ye gusu dwumadie no e koso e wo ho no mo abofra mfiti prekope enante this otutu ni nan enti akobin TV no afi na etutu ni nan kakra eba ene dwumadie amede brewe ni nyina no yenim se akofana de ye de ahensem na ye de ebremo enti ene dwumadie we no so no abusia dwumadie bi a akoso na meka se esese enka yewura Asantehene na nka okọ esese okọ na so no empanifo bu bebi sese otwe ankodwa ne nwoma ekọ enti ni yewura ebomode eto ne mpaboa edehye ne piesie ne bapanyini a eye Nkuranzamanhene na nabafo na ohwe na nabafo na hofama na ohwe sania one mampanyini etu anamon a na efe keke na ade ba ko ye me wonwa so ohwe na nabafo din na so ohwe yewura Asantehene a utimi unu se moja enyira eye ne bampa na nabafo se ne papa ankasa na nabafo se ne papa abusuafo momi yenko na yenko hwes na hofama ene sani osifa no ho ene emra woni mampanyini ehia no Ghana mampanyino na ye ba video no na afe yensem a na se nkomo sese yedi fa ho no na yesoso no ye de abrel abusuafo wedie ye nche ho kora mpanifo so twede ye ben wo no ye ntwetwe ye ho ye gye ne ntem momi yenko na yenko hwe video no na me kanfo ama se midin ede amono ba kope techimani ede hye a media abiri na abiri nyina no ni dwumadi no edamu sronko yenkomra
His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Minister for Food and Agriculture, Honorable Eric Opoku, Honorable Ministers of State, distinguished members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Executive of the Tree Crop Development Authority, my son Andy, Honorable Members of Parliament, Nananum, traditional rulers and custodians of our land, heads of state institutions, esteemed development partners, captains of industry, distinguished investors, ladies and gentlemen. I'm indeed honored to be here on behalf of His Majesty, the Otumfuo Osei Tutu II Asantehene, and delivering this speech on his behalf. I am profoundly honored to join you as guests of honor at this pivotal national gathering. I commend the government of Ghana, led by His Excellency the President, the Tree Crops Development Authority, and all strategic partners for convening this international business summit at such a consequential moment in our national journey. This gathering is far more than an exhibition opportunity. It is a moment of national introspection, a moment of reckoning, a moment of resolve. Today, Ghana is deliberately returning to an enduring truth that our land, when nurtured with wisdom, discipline, and patience, remains our greatest and most sustainable source of wealth. The theme for this summit, sustainable growth through tree crops investment, resetting and building Ghana's green economy, speaks directly to the challenges we face and opportunities before us. It calls upon us to reset our thinking, rebuild our foundations, and re-anchor our development on sustainability rather than expediency. For generations, cocoa has been the bedrock of Ghana's economy. It has educated our children, built our communities, sustained rural livelihood, and earned Ghana global recognition as a dependable agricultural producer. Cocoa is not merely a crop. It is a national symbol of discipline, sacrifice, and resilience. Yet, distinguished guests, responsibility demands honesty. Cocoa today faces serious and growing threats. Climate change is altering rainfall patterns, shortening growing seasons, and increasing pest and disease incidents. In several cocoa growing areas, yields have declined significantly over the past decade. Polluted rivers such as the Pra and Cobra and Ofin and left behind degraded landscapes that neither cocoa nor life can easily reclaim. Cocoa alone can no longer carry the full weight of Ghana's economic aspirations. This is not a rejection of cocoa. It is a call for reinforcement. It is a call for strategic diversification. Your Excellency, I therefore warmly commend the government for its bold and forward-looking resolve to diversify Ghana's tree crop sector. The deliberate emphasis on cashew, coconut, oil palm, rubber, mango, and shea, with the ambition to develop each to rival and even surpass cocoa, is a vision worthy of national applause. This vision is not speculative. It is firmly grounded in economic logic, ecological necessity, and global market demand. As such, it deserves sustained attention and full national support and investment. If cocoa currently generates approximately $2 billion annually, it is entirely realistic to envisage a future in which 6 major tree crops collectively generate $12 billion annually or more for our economy. The combined strength of Ghana's diverse tree crops can become a powerful engine of sustainable growth. This journey will, however, require patience, long-term capital, discipline, and effective coordination. Tree crops are far more than commercial commodities. They are enduring environmental assets. They rehabilitate degraded landscapes. They stabilize soil and protect watersheds. They sequester carbon and mitigate climate change. They provide permanent vegetative cover against erosion. They support livelihood measured in decades, not seasons. At a time when Ghana seeks to reset and rebuild a green economy, tree crops present our most natural and reliable pathway. Unlike extractive activities that degrade the land for short-term gain, tree crops reward foresight, stewardship, and long-term commitment. My President, let us speak plainly. Illegal mining has inflicted deep wounds on our nation. It has polluted our waters. It has degraded our soil. It has undermined environmental sustainability. It is time we make a decisive and bold choice. And that choice must favor accelerated, responsible, climate-smart, and large-scale tree crops development. This is why I totally endorse this tree crop summit as a new pathway for Ghana's green economy. Mr. President, Your Excellencies, we must also speak frankly to ourselves. Traditional authorities are custodians of over 80% of Ghana's land. This responsibility goes beyond customs and tradition. It is a duty to future generations. History will judge us not by the stools and skins we occupy, but by the quality of land stewardship we uphold. I therefore issue a clarion call to all traditional authorities across Ghana. Let us deliberately make land available for large-scale, responsible tree crops development. This is not a call to dispossess our people. It is a call to partner wisely through structured leases, joint ventures, and outgrower arrangements that ensure inclusivity, fairness, and shared prosperity. When land is productively deployed, families are strengthened, communities prosper, and the nation advances. Distinguished guests, no national transformation succeeds on policy alone. Capital is indispensable. I therefore urge managers of financial institutions, pension funds, banks, insurance institutions, family offices, and high net worth individuals to deliberately redirect patient capital towards large-scale investment in tree crops. Tree crops are long-term, resilient, inflation-hedge investments. They generate employment, foreign exchange, and integrational wealth. In advanced economies, agriculture attracts structured finance, insurance, research, and technology. Ghana must follow this path. Let us invite not only concrete and impulse, but in living assets and nature, but in living assets that mature with time and reward the future. Your Excellency, I must specifically acknowledge the Tree Crops Development Authority. The mandate entrusted to the TCDA is extensive and its responsibility correspondingly profound. Of course, I trust in my son, Dr. Andy Osei You have appointed to lead this institution will deliver. Of course, the science is clear. In my considered view, the tree crop sector constitutes one of the most potent levers for Ghana's economic transformation. I therefore strongly urge government to adequately resource the TCDA financially, technically, legally, and institutionally. An under-resourced regulator cannot nurture a world-class industry. An empowered TCDA, however, can position Ghana as a global hub for sustainable tree production, processing, and trade. This should not be considered as an expenditure, but as a strategic national investment. Mr. President, I am very passionate about this call because I have an extensive and a rich experience when it comes to tree crop sector. As you may be aware, I'm a commercial tree crop farmer. I have hundreds of acres of mango plantation in Nkuranza. Not only a mango farmer, but I have also established an ultra-modern state-of-the-art mango pineapple processing factory, producing one of the best locally produced juice on the Ghanaian market. The vision is to expand it to a 10,000 acre in the next 5-10 years to create jobs for the growing youth. Tree crops development must be inclusive by deliberate design. Women and youth must be integrated not merely as labor, but as entrepreneurs, processors, exporters, innovators, and leaders across the various value chains. The share sector alone demonstrates what is possible when women are empowered, organized, and supported. When agriculture becomes profitable, dignified, and technology-driven, our youth will return to the land not out of desperation, but out of opportunity, pride, and purpose. In conclusion, Mr. President, distinguished guests, Ghana stands at a historic crossroad.
Joe.
One path leads to environmental degradation, fleeting gains, and enduring regrets.
Joe.
The other leads to sustainability, resilience, and national renewal.
Joe.
Investment in tree crops is not optional, it is imperative.
Joe.
Let us therefore act decisively and collectively.
Joe.
Government, traditional authorities, private sector, financiers, citizens. Let us reset. Let us rebuild. Let us grow Ghana's green economy.
Joe.
Rooted firmly in our soil, guided by vision, and sustained by collective resolve.
Joe.
May our actions today secure prosperity for generations yet unborn.
Joe.
Long live tree crop sector. Long live Tree Crops Development Authority. Long live Ghana. Thank you very much.
Joe.
A true visionary who understands that the wealth of a kingdom is rooted in its land. The King of Asante, His Majesty, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Please put your hands together.
Maji ahome edi benti na maji ahome a maji ni nyina no ekire se Nkuransa nka ye ka ba bia Nkuransa ehye ya nka nuoma bi etise nyina aden na efa ho na ekọ Nkuransa tachiman wo ho wanchi wo ho meka se nkuro sunwan ene Dormaa ene wanfie ne brekum nkuro no wo ho no na aden ena chese atimi afa ho na Nkuransa ena ekoye ni nyina ema yehunu se nuoma bi wo ho no ma ya ma yen soso abonofo no ya ma nuoma bi yakachi atebubu wo ho kwame danso wo ho no mo panan anase abase abase eno soso abase soso wo ho no ma abase soso ye eno soso wo man hene na soso aden na sa nkuro ibia yi no wonte omonka nkuro ma bibosu yi wonte omonka na chese efiri ni efiri baabi na eba sane ade na kwakoye no sese baabi a ahiniye no ene sane ahensem ene sane a yesi ahyehye no a ene nia ekọ no se opa tambia no wahiniye ni beka den mo se opa wahiniye ebeka den mo na so wahiniye nka dan mo so na ejina wo so me kase sese baabi ade na duru no yenhwe wobi yentie wobi ene yedidi hene esanse metimi aka se kuroti se tachiman yedi ye ho na ye wo man hene na so no nuoma bi etise no yente yenka ede bentia ama yente yenka kurobi tise abase eyem ono soso wo man hene na soso no yente abase hene yente wo mka kurobi tise atebubu yente atebubu hene nka sunyan esoso wo man hene yente omunka odi ko wanchi ye kura eso wanchi soso kura man hene na ho soso no yente wanchi man hene no se ebi adwabo ne nuoma bi koso ho soso no yente wo mka che se wo fa media no so na o che se ohunu sa nuoma no na mi bisa me ho se yen a ye abonofo no ya hemfa na se ya hiniye no atonsuo mu anasa dien ena ekoso a che se ama sa nuoma we nyina no o che se yente bibie te sa yente yenka eyade bi a metraso na medwene ho a emami hu se ese ya hemfo no omakeka dan mo anase ahofama no ena eni ho anase adie bentia me dwere ho papa eya na eye me dadwen me dwere ho esan se abere bia no obehwe no na eye Asantehene anase ochi man hene odi kokoko saa side ho ne yayi no a wanhunu kura no afine bekwa wie ye wanhunu kura ubehunu ne several times na mibisa se ye hemfo no adie na ekoso ewo bono hemfo no se we e ba ye anye bia no nka mampanyini betimi ayeden bibibia etesa nka mampanyini betimi de nani ahwe adasa Dormaa sunwan wanchi tachiman ene nkuro no akeka na soso no ade no ebekọ bia no utimi hunu se omo asese no omo related to Asante no ehonko na eko ehonko a minkasa anyo eye esense die ntia eho omo apagya omo ahinie no mu ene no sese no sene abere no eko no obi epagya na ahinie mu obi ntenase nkasa na ahinie enkwehye demo dabi obi epagya na ahinie mu na mintimi hunu nie nti a yen abonofo no na abonofo no yedie no entimi nko ne saa min hunu nie nti a entimi nko ne saa na ade ba ko a metena se a mi hunu anasa ya na abiri nyina no mi bisa me ho am me dwene ho soso na esim chese ama ya na ejamitipaye ni nyina ne se akoye se nipa ba akopɛ ohene ba akopɛ ena ohwemu a ama ne ho akwa ama bono hemfo na aka ni nyina no omu nyina akoye de akokeka dan mu ohene ba akopɛ ena ama hemfo aka ni nyina akeka dan mu a ese chese unti din bia na din ba akopɛ ena eruo ni nyina no eye na Dormahene na Agyeman Badu Osagyefo Agyeman Badu na ama saa no mani nyina ekoso ama ada bono regions na se bono ehemfo na omo akeka no omo nyina akeka dem mo esanse abire na abire bia no obeba abonten no enya de se oton bono ahensem no oton se bono hensem no wo pegamu na obeba bia na aye attack na akoye se attack ya attack Asantehene no na chese abiri bia no nti amampanimfo no onka nkyere wo se odu be ye bibibia onka hwe nkyere na momu no empanimfo no hunu se omotonsa na se wo ba na se adwabo bia na bibisa na se omodi ba ho no ma obeba no ebe wi ase no na akwakoye se odi attack beba mu or the attack bebam enti ni akoye nyina ne sesese no empanifo no so atenase ahuni se no omo nyeden omo mfa bibisa emma abonofo no ye hemfo no ho na etese die ya ahwempam jenne ne ho beba begimu bi ne ho so begimu a ebe wi ase no na oba attack Asantehene enti omo kora nyeden omo na emfa bono hemfo no enye hwe so timu se bono hemfo no ya hemfo no mumu nyedu ya hemfo no omumu nyedu ni nyina no akwakoye Osagyefo na Agyeman Badu a woye Dormahene na osane ye bono regional house of chief no one na kyesa ama sa no mani nyina no akoba esanse kroye eni honomo kroye eni ho ena ama hemfo no maka no obi a hyehye demo enye sa ahofama ni ho na ensoso no etese de nya obeba mu bi sa dwumadie we ya esi ya Nkuranzamanhene a woye Asantehene ne ba panyini ni piesie ono na ne papa woro ne mpaboa de hye no a na ohwe se one Ghana mampanyini na omo ekwa na otimi hunu se sese no ekwa nimu me no kasa yi no odi obo se yeteto ho no ma sunyan fiapre sunyan fuapre ono soso no yeteto ani obehunu ane se eno soso kyena na na hiniye na pagya esan se ohini bia ode ne ho bekwa akọbọ Asantehene bia no ubo se na hiniye no emu apagya te se kurokuro ntakra no na ekoso me se wote ho a obehunu se kukuro nkyera baby a nkyira ahye no enche kro abehunu se no so so na ne so so apagya ni mu tuobodom oto hwa ne obehunu ane se na ono so so apagya ni mu boyam techiman boyam oto hwa ne obehunu ane se na ne so so apagya ni mu edi entia baby a omodo omo ho akobo no etise die nya omo so so no omo animonyam bepie na minim ne enti a na Agyeman Badu na mesro abiri na abiri bia no meka ne se ye di jawa na ye di aso awo se no ni amasa no ma ne kobia no eye nana woa nana eye woa esanse mpanifo no hwe hunu nuoma bi se omokọ akọfa Techimanhene se ebia adwabo bi na dwumadie bi Techimanhene mmara ochena ebaka koye nsem ye to nsa afre wanchi manhene a echena ebeye nsem foforo Sunyanhene echena ebeye nsem foforo abase hena tebubu ehemfo ne sa kwame danso nkuro na ewo ho ni nyina no ade ebeche no nsem foforo beba ni nyina ne sei adwabo bia na obeko obewura mu bia no ebewi ase no na chese asei ebewi ase na adwabo no a wukọ obi no wukọ ye no senia nka sesenka wukọ na nka okoton ahinie no na nka oma ahinie no etreko baabia no meka se ewi ase anase ada countries no omuhunu bono hemfo no na obekọ akọwie no na akoye basa na nuoma akọgie agu ode ho wura ade bia mu a eye ahensem ohini bi eye bibi na ye to nsa frewa obekọ ebewie no na nuoma asei na so so no Asantehene ahemfo no a omo hye Asantehene ase no omo nyina no chese baabi a omo bekọ bia tumi hunu se eye extraordinary bibia didamu eye very perfect Italy ni beka se perfecto so wonu se na ade ni city e enti na chese niama ye abono hemfo no omo bibia aka achi no nana ni nyina no enkonkonkonko no ekoba bewie wo Osagyefo nana Agyeman Badu Dormaa manhene Bono regional house of chief Bono house of chief nana enkwa no ekoba bewie wo nana mesrew mesada mensayam ekase nana wadaoma ahiniye die yenini wodan mo ahiniye yenini ewo fie nemom ahiniye ye peja edi pie ema kuro no animonyam bam ka ebehunu nanka de bi se nanka ekoso na nana Dormahene wa hyehye wo ho na nanka obepie no epeja Dormaa manhene na epeja bono ai yesese animonyam ka nkuruma ebi ka konkonte ni mugu ase ebi ka nkuruma esanso omu nyina no omu yabusuya baako na nanka ebehwa no nanka eye Techimanhene nana kumfi amiyo nanka apeja na ama Techimanhene animu abanyam yebehwe nanka yesunyan manhene nanka ama sunyan sunyan man soso animu abanyam na soso no ade ne bekọ nyina na esi fruntum wuo ho no mo esane ma batatwene nana sese no waye batatwene bibie bekọ bia no wo ho beba mu enti no ayesese record bia abeto bono hemfu ni nyina so ni nyina no nana esanse ayonkofa onye wadwene se eni koro ya onye wadwene se obehwehwe ama Asante eni bono eni Ghana nyina no hemfu ye nyina akabom na aye baako no eni na amasa no mani nyina eko enti nana bono hemfu no nana mohiniye no ebekọ akoye birthday ene entokwanko a ebekọ akoye se eye demo hinie nana nuoma no wo ene de menkan se ahofama no mu ni bi ene de mu wobi nana na enso so akase mo bema ebepia bontene esansa asansa fa ade a ode kire enti nana we de adesrede kakra ena wo faseye buruni abranche Techimani kumfi ame wo faase amono ba akopɛ nana mede to wanim sɛ nana sesei no enye attack biem baby ade ne kɔ no enye attack bi afi bunu youth no mon sorry na munyai se omo kenya omo ho a na mokogina omo achi na ayese mo totototo anyampia ene ayidi ba park so no mon sorry na ka ba ni se ya ema mo soso no animonyam bi kamo mon sorry na mon kasa mu mane koye se ye ne we kokko na munyina masori na mudi akire yo dabi yesremo madam Roma minua no youth no abonofo youth no asesa mo sori enye gidigidi ene santo kwasam ni biem munye bibi na animonyam no ebi nka mo soso respect ni bi nka mo na emfa nkunimdie emra bonoman Akofena media nie subscribe like mayen na yenko yanim bedamase peace out.